All of you are having sections. Now what I am going to do is, I am going to do the share screening. Okay. So that as I talk, you will be able to know it. Sir has sent one paper. I'm opening it. Okay. Now, what you have given here, all questions are compulsory. That is a normal way. Now, read the extract and complete the given activities. Now, what you have to do? Nothing. Section 1 is given. In your paper, you have to draw. Now, as my fingers have shown here, question 1 is given. You'll be having one margin. Am I right? You must answer me, children.
Yes.
Now, yes, I want you all to reply. Now, this question 1 will be coming in another margin line. You have to draw another margin. See, as I'm showing you all now, this question 1 will not come in one margin. Now, here your original margin is there. You have to draw two margins. Now, why you will ask teacher two margins? Question number 1, where will you write A? Now, when you're writing the paper, as per me, 10th standard also I tell, never change your section. You may ask me, teacher, what is wrong? There is nothing wrong. I'm not saying that if you write your writing skill, any marks will be deducted. No. But if you want to have a good impression on the teachers who correct your paper, finally, it is an examiner who corrects. Moderator only rechecks whether the marks are correct, and the moderator's hand is only on the writing skill. Moderator will never check the prose section. It is already done by the examiner. Because usually we don't deduct marks over here. As far as possible, for 12th standard, we don't do it. 10th, we do it. So let me tell you, here we don't do it. Much marks are not minus unless you write the grammatical. Now, if the passage is of the writer, I, and you write I, that means your answer is wrong because you became the writer. That means your first person you have put where you should have put third person. So section 1, listen properly. If you have doubt, you can ask me. Reading for comprehension, language study, summary, mind mapping, all these you will not write. Section 1, prose. That's all. Even if you don't write prose, is okay. Section 1, question number 1, A. Go in the straight form. Okay. A1. Rewrite the false sentence correctly. So that means what? If it is true, 1, 2, 3, 4, it will come in order. 1, true, leave it. Second, if it is false, write false and rewrite the sentence. Now, many of you will be thinking, rewrite the false sentences correctly. That means you all be thinking, oh, that means true, I must not write. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4. They may be all 4 false, or they may not be also. All 4 can be true also. So, rewrite the false sentences correctly. That means the sentence which is false, you have to correct. Now, give reasons and complete the sentence. There is nothing. Here in 12th standard, the English is still higher. In 10th standard, what you read is complete the following. That's all it is. Anybody has got doubt over here? Can ask. I will stop it. If it
Miss,
is yes,
for true sentences, we will have to write.
can you repeat, my dear child?
Miss, if the sentence is true, then do we have to write the true statement?
No need, beta. Now, I have not read the passage. Okay. Sophie broke the glass of the shop windows. You all know the answer. Whether it is true or false.
Miss, that's true.
True.
It's true. Okay. So one true. That's all. There and there it ends.
Okay, Miss.
You're not going to copy the sentence. Unnecessary. We are not going to waste time in these sections. Our timing is only in the writing skill where we will be stuck up. Is your doubt clear, my dear child?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, ma'am.
So, very good. Only one or two children are answering. I don't know what about others. Suppose the second sentence is also true. True. Over. If it is false, false, and then you have to say why it is false. That's all. Now, give reasons and complete the following. Here, what happened? You got an additional English word, give reasons. This is nothing but complete the following sentences. You have to complete it. And while completing only, you are giving the reasons. Those are coming from SEMI. So, did you understand what I said? The vernacular medium, whoever it is there. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Very good. Okay. Now let me go here. Discuss the hidden meaning in the following expression. Now, what does it mean? Now, it caters to large appetites and modest purposes. That means what? This sentence literally has got another meaning. When teacher explains to you all one lesson, she will be giving you the meaning of the lesson. Same way, this sentence has got another meaning, hidden meaning. You have to give the another meaning. For example, I am tone deaf. What did I use the sentence? I am tone deaf. Now, what is the hidden meaning of tone deaf? Can anybody give me? Can anybody try for me, please?
The person can't speak anything.
Yes. You are not able to hear. No. And tone deaf means what? You are hearing, but you are
Inability to
purposely
speak.
acting as if you are not able to hear. That is known as tone deaf. This happens. Suppose you all are busy chatting in WhatsApp XYZ. Somebody is ringing the doorbell. And you are sitting in the hall. What do? You ignore it. The ignoring is known as tone deaf. It is not that you are a deaf. Then your mama has to shout at you. Then what you will say? What happened? Somebody rang the bell. Somebody rang the bell? You will be acting as if you didn't hear it. That is known as tone deaf. So, this all are your seen passage. You might have heard it. The teacher might have. Okay. Now, next time, if any lessons you all don't know, you have to tell me my number. You may be having it, or you can take it from sir. Tell me beforehand the lesson which you are not able to, so that I can give you the meaning. Okay. Now, convert the following sentences into affirmative. Yes. Did you all learn in 10th standard? Affirmative to negative, negative to affirmative?
Yes, Miss.
Yes. Okay. I'm not telling that. Why only one child learned? The other children without 10th passing, how do you came to the 12th standard, my dear? I don't know. Okay. Now, in affirmative, when you're changing, I'm showing you with the this thing. this not has to be removed. If you have the opposites, you put the opposites. Otherwise, you have to put the prefix and change it. Men who smash windows do not remain to chat with the police. Come on, can anybody tell me how to do it?
Men who smash windows refrain to chat. Refrain.
1 minute. What did you say, Betty? Men who
Men
smash.
who smash windows refrain to chat with the police.
Very good. I appreciate you. Refrain. That's a very good word she has used it. Refrain from chatting with the police. She has done excellent. Actually, the correct word is refrain. Now, vernacular medium children, suppose you don't know refrain, because I don't know what is taught in your semi-English. But I think semi-Marathi is also the English is tough fully. That men who smash windows are unable to chat with the police. It's okay, I will say, but refrain is the correct word. Now, on the opposite side of the street, there was a restaurant of no great pretensions.
On the opposite side of the street was a restaurant of less pretension.
Of
Least
less,
pretensions.
of less pretension. Is the sentence is right, my dear, all other children? Because now you are going to judge and not I.
Ma'am,
every
least
time-
sound better. Least sound better than less.
On the opposite side of the street was a restaurant of least pretension. Correct? Cannot be less. Because no great. Correct. Now here what happens? Fill in the blanks with the correct nouns in the extract. You don't have to do anything. Friendly, one adjective would have been given over there. So there is another word related with that you have to put. It's done. Did you all understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, miss.
Okay. Now, since section A is over, we are coming to the B section. Now remember this. You can leave 2-3 lines, but continue where you have done. You cannot go on a new page. That is what I'm about to tell you. Because it is a continuity of question number 1, A and B. The marks are combined. Question number 1, A plus B. That is how the examiner puts. Now, already we are coming to another one, question number 2. I have not yet come. For that, we will go on the new page. Now, do as directed. Transformation of sentences. Yes, let it be textual or non-textual. Now, what is the meaning of transformation of sentences? We will go in details. Today, I'm just giving you a rough idea. Transformation of sentences means what? Just moving from one place to another. Now, what does that mean? Something is given in the bracket, we have to change into that. Simple English I'm going. That is known as transformation of sentences. Now, we need many such organizations. Now, those are English medium students. I don't have to tell you what are WH questions, but those are coming from vernacular medium. WH questions are those questions where you have what, when, where, how is also coming. So whenever you are asking the question, the verb will be in the present tense. That you have to remember very well. We need many such organizations. What is the question?
What do we need?
What do we need?
What do we need? Okay. That's all your answers. Now, present perfect tense. I know, very easy. Whenever perfect tenses come. Now, just for the last, because you're all are science students, I know you all take English for granted, but 65% you all must have it. If we are going for engineering or for doctor or for anything, 65% is compulsory. Even in medical also 65% is compulsory, because when you are doing the prescription to the doctor, you'll be writing in English. So that is the most important. Now, perfect means what? The tense is already completed. I don't want to go in details. I'm just going in shortcut. Whether you do present, past, or future, the tense is already completed. That means the action is completed. So perfect means, just remember or note down H cube. Because why I'm going in a science form, because you are a science student. Perfect means H cube. Now what is the meaning of H cube? How many H you should have?
3.
3. So has, had. Am I right now?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Now, the present tense is the only tense which gives us trouble. They will take what they want. Now, has and has, they both are coming in present tense. Has, third person singular. Who is the third person? He, she, it. I said singular. Now, you can ask me, teacher, I is also singular. Yes, I agreed. But I, we always say, Mera jaisa koi nahi hai bada. That sentence is very common. We always say, I am great. Because of this, I is telling, I will go as per my wish. Even though I am in singular, I'll be going in have, where he did not go at all. So I, we, you, they. We all are going in have. But past tense, is a lazy lump tense. It's saying, I don't want you in all these ways, I'll take had and sit. Whether you be singular, whether you be plural, I don't care. Future will also take have and go with. But your word changes. ED verb, fine. Otherwise, now, verb 1 is present tense. Verb 2 is past tense. Verb 3 is past participle. That past participle is what you're going to use in perfect tense. Like eat, ate, eaten. So eaten is the word which you'll be using in perfect tense. Now, it reduces inequality. This is very easy. It has reduced. ED. ED verb, past tense and past participle doesn't change. Hope you all have understood this much.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody,
Yes, ma'am.
vernacular medium students, you have to answer me.
Yes, miss.
The answers are coming from the English medium students, because English medium students, 10th standard, they had a tough grammar. Now, not only but also. Now, this not only but also, don't think for granted is very easy. There are some times you have to put in the beginning, Sometimes you have to put in the middle. Now let me see how we are going to do this. Just try it.
Reinviting them will not only need political will but also administrative vision.
Okay, beta, what is your good name?
Akanksha.
Akansha, before also you only answered, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, I don't know whether I am teaching only Akansha. I find there are more than 87 participants are there. Why only, is it Akansha is going to appear for the 12th? She is also a new student to me. She has not known me, but she is brave enough to attempt. What about others? I don't know why you all are scared. And her answer is absolutely right. Now,
Miss,
yes, Veda, ask me your doubt.
nothing, Miss, nothing.
No, no. Okay? You have the right to ask. I was waiting for you. Come on. You want to know why she did not use not only preventing death. Am I right?
Yes, Miss.
Yeah, then I must answer your doubt in your mind, but you will not say. Okay. The reason is reinventing them is related. See the sentence. Reinventing them will need political and administrative vision. That means what? One incident is leading to two things into troublesome. Let me go for simple excuses. Simple example. Not wearing mask. Okay, I'm not wearing mask. It is leading to rise in the COVID as well as death. Did you understand what I'm telling?
Yes, ma'am.
Somebody asked me the doubt. Did you understand? The child who asked me, please.
Yes, Miss. Yes, Miss. The mic was
What
not unmuted.
happened? Just for not wearing a mask, I'm leading two things into problem. What are the two things? I'm making the COVID rising and I'm increasing the death also. Same thing. Reinventing them. Because of this, political and administrative both have come into problem. Now you understood? If one
Yes, miss.
thing is troubling both, then not only but also will come in the middle. Now did you understand?
Ha, miss.
So you were not ready to tell me, I don't know why, whether you were scared. I'm not going to laugh at you. Okay. Akansha will not say, I don't know whether the sentence is right or wrong. This you have done in the 10th standard. Remember, we had 10 marks, we had it. Though the population has grown, but the rate of growth has failed sharply. I don't know what error is there. Medium students.
Pollen will come instead of fault.
Come on. No
Miss
need of
Pollen
getting
will
Population
Miss,
has
instead of
but
fault,
the
pollen
rate
will
of-
come.
but the rate of growth has fallen sharp.
but the rate of growth has fallen sharply. Okay.
sharply.
Now, fallen, fall, fell, fallen. It's an irregular verb. Now you understood? You have used fallen as a past participle. Now, till here you will be continuing it. Suppose this sentence, whatever it is, you have come to a new page where you have written just 2 lines. Suppose you have written here only and this much page is left. Anyway, you are paying the money for the paper. Just take a pencil, cut it like this, start on a new page, question number 2A. Did you all understand what did I say?
Yes,
Suppose,
miss.
Yes,
your-
ma'am.
suppose your answer was here, where I'm pointing it out. And this much place is left. Oh my God, what will I do? Nothing you have to do. Just take a scale and just draw one line with a pencil. Start on a new page. Because we are coming to question number 2A. Same way you have to draw the two margins and continue writing. You don't have to read the extract, please. Question number 2A. The examiner will know. The examiner is not going to ask you this. That is 100%, I can guarantee you. Yes. Here also you will not going to rewrite the following sentences as per the occurrence in the extract. Okay. What does that mean? I want to know. Vernacular medium students, because if I come over there, I will not be able to show the screen this thing. Can the vernacular medium student, those who are coming from semi-Marathi, can you all tell me what you understood by this? Try it. Come on, children. Y'all don't know? Okay, English medium students, start answering me that. Rewrite the following sentences as per their occurrence in the extract. This you have done in the 10th standard, but the question was in a different manner.
Miss,
Let me
this is
ask
an
you-
unseen poem passage.
Okay, let it be unseen passage, but what does this mean?
Miss, to arrange in chronological order.
Very
increasing.
good. That's the answer only I want. You have to arrange as per which line comes first as per the passage. Because this sentence you did not have in the 10th standard. It was directly given, write it in a chronological order, that's all. But here they have changed because you gone to 12th. Rewrite the following sentences as per their occurrence, as per they have appeared in the passage. So you're not going to write 3, 1, 4, no. Even you need not write the top sentence. Read the following sentences, you need not write. A1, question number 2, A1, then 1. If it is 1, but you are going to put the number properly. If it is 4, you will write 4 first and write the sentence. Then if it is 1, put 1 and write the sentence. You will not put your 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember that. Now what happens? I'll give you the answer. Remember, the examiner is also a human being. They have to correct the paper within the specific time period given by the moderator. Maximum 2 days will be given to them, same like 10th standard they are. There is no difference between the 12th and the 10th. The examiner will be given the same timing, hardly 10 rupees or 5 rupees more they'll be getting. That's all. I don't think even 10. Within the 5 rupees more will be given. That's all. The paper correction, because this is also 80, that is also 80. Then why they should give more? So, which sentence is coming first? That number you have to write and then write the sentence. Did you all understand?
Yeah, miss.
Yes, ma'am.
Complete the following sentence. Again, this is given in your passage. Okay, now find out the word for leopard. I just now saw it.
Miss,
Here only it is given, like cat, feline, like this you have to catch. Leopards are coming from the feline family. It's coming from the cat family. So Some of them are there. In this way, you have to write. Now, as you
Miss,
come here, this is a
Mi-
personal opinion. If people could venture means if people can go into nature to jog. Jogging, all of you know, walk and picnic. Why couldn't the wild animals hang around apartment blocks? It's a very nice question. If you can go and capture their place, that is what we have done, the Powai area. It was once upon a time, these wild animals place. Unka jagah tha. And these wild animals don't know because they are dumb. They don't have the intellectual power of talking and finding out what is right and wrong. They are blind. And we have taken their place and we have done 5-star building, hotels, XYZ. Poor these creatures. They are hunting animals because that is the way God has created for them to survive. Now, when we destroy the green color grasses, all the trees, the shrubs, where are the herbivorous animals? They have gone. And then what these animals will do? They have to starve. And these wild animals, they are wild. They require huge place. Remember, they require huge place for movement. They are not like a small rat who can go even under a small hole. वो तो चूहा नहीं है. They are well built and very hefty they are. And we have gone and captured their place. And these wild animals, hardly now they are there. Even if they are there, they don't have sufficient place to roam. Because God has created them, nature, for them to live and for us to enjoy. We can enjoy and appreciate the nature. But they are going to live and survive. Yes, we will also survive because they are the one who's giving us the oxygen. I'm not saying no. But we are going and capturing all their places. And then when they come back to our place, none of these animals are born man-eater, let me tell you. None of these animals are born man-eater. They become man-eater because they are not getting any food in the jungle. Why does a small child who is hungry for almost 5 days try to rob a biscuit? The child is not born robbing. Hunger. Same thing. So what they do? They come to our dwelling thinking it is their place. And क्या मिला? कुत्ता, बिल्ली. But they will not catch, even in hunting also. They will not catch a hefty zebra. A zebra who is very healthy, उसको नहीं पकड़ेंगे. Young zebra or an old one, because these animals know they can easily catch them. उनका भी मेहनत कम है and they can catch them. That is what they do here also. बुढ़ा आदमी को भाग नहीं सकता है, they will catch. Young child, अच्छा है, but पहलवान को they not going to catch. And remember, once they become man-eater, unfortunately हम उसको मारना ही पड़ेगा, because the taste of the blood of human being is different from the taste of any animal. स्वाद अलग होता है. Just like how you like vada pav, burger, XYZ. Same thing. Even if you are non-veg, many of you all have love different type of fishes. Same thing. They become man-eater. That means uska swad, human being, they loved it. And next time they will not hunt any herbivorous animals, they will kill only human beings. And we have to kill them. Poor creature, yeah, they are not become manager, they became manager because of work. But there's only one wild animal will never become a manager, that's a lion. It will die hungry in the jungle, but it will not leave the jungle. That is why it is called king of the jungle. वो जंगल का राजा है. It will not leave the jungle. Whereas these animals, yes, tiger becomes a man-eater, leopard becomes a man-eater, number one. So they are asking this, your opinion. If we can go and do all these things in their places, why we are not allowing the wild animals to come to our surroundings? That you have to give the meaning. And there is no yes and no. Of course, in this you will say no. Why you have to give the answer? It should be relevant according to the passage what it is given. Now, rewrite the following sentences in the way instructed. Now just imagine, in 12th standard you are finding so many ways of English are modified. And what did you hear? You read it. Where I've come? Yes. In 10th standard you had only do as director. Do as director, transformation of sentences. This was not necessary to be given. What is the meaning of transformation of sentences? Do as director. Same thing. What was the need for you to be given? Rewrite the following sentences in the way instructed. Do as directed it is. As it is given in the bracket, you have to write.
Miss,
Now, bolo.
Miss, for fill in the blanks, do we have to write the entire question?
Which one, beta? Can you tell me? Nature is a combination. You asking me that, no?
Yes, Miss, exactly.
Yes, you have to. You cannot write dash and dash. Sorry. Just like how you
Okay,
do
miss.
fill in the blanks. You copy the sentence, huh?
Miss, but for other subjects, physics and chemistry, we direct write the answers.
That is different and this is different. This is language. Bhashan. That is not Bhashan.
Yes, Miss.
Whereas in chemistry, you show all the equations, no?
Yes, Miss.
Physics में equations है? ज़्यादा नहीं है.
Miss,
Reaction
there
तो
are
तुमको
little.
बताना पड़ेगा chemistry में. How you got this, right?
Yes, Miss.
समयावधि आधा तुमको छोटा सा तो वो reaction तो बताना तो पड़ेगा. In a shortcut में. Even though they
Yes,
have not
miss.
asked. Even though they have not asked. Right? Otherwise you will not get the mark. For give reason also. You have to show a small slight formula how you got this. You may say this is the reason you are given. For that reason you have to show the slight formula of it. Same way. You cannot write dash and dash. Okay. Even if you write it, second wala bhi dekho dash and dash. So what the examiner will do? Tell me. वो बेचारा को पूरा ऊपर का देखना पड़ेगा ना.
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Good, you ask me. Now, what is an infinitive? Can anybody tell me? क्योंकि बीच में
Ma'am,
एक
can you repeat?
what is the meaning of infinitive? 10th स्टैंडर्ड वाला को बहुत पक्का किया 10th में.
2 plus verb.
2 plus a word. Very good. वो भी आकांक्षा बोला क्या?
जानवी ने बोला मैम.
Very good. That means it is coming in non-finite word. Am I right? You learned now finance and non-finance.
Yes.
हाँ, transitive and intransitive. पढ़ा क्या नहीं? भूल
Miss
मत
भूल
जाना
गया।
बीच में ये, हाँ भूल गया, that I know. because 11th में तुम लोग मजा किया. See, whatever you all studied, same thing has come. So now taking is also a non-finance because इधर मैंने जरूर डाला है. Now, how you are going to change this sentence to put an infinitive?
To
Two
take
plus the
care of
verb
food.
उसने बोला to take. Okay. तो कहाँ तो भी मैं नहीं डाल सकता है. केला छिलके के साथ तो नहीं खा सकता है. But grapes I can eat with the skin. अभी तुम लोग बोलो कैसा डालेगा. I don't know.
To take care of the food source is the best course of action.
Okay, whoever has said it, मैं अभी तक कुछ नहीं बोलूंगी. There are all the judges about me, but 85 or something students are there. Is our answer is right?
The best course of action is to take care of the food source.
The best course of action is to take care of the food source. Very good. Your answer is absolutely correct. Now, why is your answer is wrong? I will tell you. इधर क्या दिया है? Taking care. While we are taking care of the food source, it becomes one of the best course of action. Did you understand? I'll repeat again. जब भी
Miss,
हम लोग
please repeat.
taking, okay, I will repeat. जब भी हम लोग taking care of the food source. Now, what is the food source? All the contents of the food. I am not saying vegetables, carbohydrates, starch, vitamins, minerals, proteins, all this. While you are taking care of the source of food, which source you require? If I take more fat, sorry, my body will not accept it. But a child can take fat because the child is growing. So you have to take which type of food you require is the best course of action. That means what? It is one of the best way of living. But when you say to take care of the food, इसका मतलब क्या है? तुम food को care कर रहे? The meaning changed. तुम food को care करते है क्या? No. तुम food को नहीं care कर रहे. तुम्हारे शरीर को तुम food care कर रहे. So the best source of action, the best source of action means how to survive, how to live. जैसा अपन को जीना चाहिए. How will you do? To take care of the food source. The meaning is same, but we have to keep the same meaning. हम change नहीं कर सकते. Did you all understand?
Yes, miss.
Otherwise, we will do some grammar again. Don't worry. Today is just a lecture only. Nature isn't greenery alone. It also includes wild animals. Now बोलो, इसको कैसा डालेंगे? Not only but also.
Nature is not only greenery but also include wild animals.
तुमने क्या बोला बेटा? Nature.
Nature is not
nature is
greenery,
not only
greenery but also include wild animals.
okay. Now anybody tell me if the child's answer is right or anybody has got another opinion?
Nature is not only green, but also it includes wild animal.
Nature is not only
Green,
Greener
but
should come.
also
but also includes wild animals.
yes, miss.
Nature includes not only greenery but also wild animals.
Nature
Include
not only includes
greenery but also wild animals.
2 3s are 6, 3 2s are भी 6 ही है रे बेटा.
Nature is
Yes,
not
miss.
only greener, but also
और कोई बोल रहा है, बोलो बोलो. Come on.
mm, nature is not only greener but also includes wild
अभी
animals.
तो वो बच्चे वही बोला. तुम ग्रीन बोलो, ग्रीनर बोलो, ग्रीनरी बोलो, मेरे लिए प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
Nature includes not only greenery but also wild animals.
अभी भी वो बच्चे वही बोला.
मिस फाइनल आंसर लॉक कर दिया जाए.
बाकी बच्चे क्या कर रहे हैं? सो रहे हैं. Not only nature is greenery, but it also includes wild animals. अभी तुम पूछेगा टीचर तुम क्यों ऐसा किया? ओके, आई गिव यू द आंसर. नेचर नॉट ओनली दैट इज नेचर सिर्फ ग्रीनरी का ही नहीं लेता है, बट वाइल्ड एनिमल्स भी लेते हैं. उधर क्या हो गया? मैंने क्या बोला? वजह से 2 जन को सफर होता है. इधर 2 जन कहाँ सफर हो गया? ये नॉट ओनली बट ऑल्सो आई विल टीच यू ऑल, डोंट वरी. तुम लोग थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन होता है. इधर क्या बोला? नेचर के पास दोनों है, ग्रीनरी भी है, वाइल्ड एनिमल्स भी है. लिटिल बिट यू ऑल अंडरस्टूड द मीनिंग ऑफ द सेंटेंस?
Yes, miss.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, सिंपल. मार्क्स नहीं डाला, मुझे 2 सफर हो गया. इधर 2 सफर क्या कौन हो गया? कोई भी नहीं हो गया. नेचर के पास ग्रीनरी भी गए और नेचर के पास वाइल्ड एनिमल्स भी गए. ओके, दिस आई हैव टू टीच यू ऑल. आई गॉट इट. नाउ फाइंड द वर्ड. ये तुमको उसमें से लेना पड़ेगा. तो फ्रॉम द पैसेज. नाउ समरी. ऑल 10th स्टैंडर्ड इंग्लिश मीडियम तुम लोग समरी किया था ना अनसीन पैसेज में?
Yes,
Yes.
miss.
Yes, I know you might have not done well. Summary is nothing. Just the main points निकाल के तुमको खुद को सेंटेंस बना के you have to put. Title is compulsory. Give a suitable title. Now, luxurious houses in nature. This is only one part all of the air. You are not going to do fill in the blank. Fear of wild animals. इसका मतलब उसमें से तुमको 2 लाइन ले सकता है. Leopards enjoy human habitation. Now, the paragraph is very big. वो लोग ने एक-एक पैराग्राफ से एक-एक लाइन ही निकाला. Provide food. So when you pick up the important lines from this, it becomes a summary. समझ गया?
हाँ.
Now, mind mapping. This is nothing. यह तुमको बहुत यूज किया. Did you all do do's and don'ts? पहले किया था ना? इसमें क्या दिया है? Spidergram. Actually, if we go to see, this is a web diagram. Spider भी और web भी same है क्या नहीं?
हाँ. Yes, ma'am.
हाँ का ना? Now, since you all are science students, I don't know because I'm going to do the guessing. Because what I learned science, I didn't remember. I think tibia is a bone, right?
Yes.
Biceps is a muscle.
Yes.
Skull is a bone.
Yes.
And quadriceps is a muscle. I don't know.
Yes.
Ma'am, how you are
muscle.
guessing so correctly?
ये तो मेरा बचपन का मुझे, because I have not taken science, I went for arts with an English literature. Abdominal is a muscle cycle, femur is a bone, a deltoid मुझे नहीं मालूम, ribs is a bone. ये तो मेरा guessing work किया.
Yes, miss. By elimination, deltoid is a muscle.
Deltoid is a muscle. Yes?
Yes.
Uncle, I don't know.
Yes, miss.
And where it comes?
Miss, near the shoulder area.
Okay. Oh, bone and shoulder joints. Okay. Now, appreciation. किया क्या नहीं 10th में?
Yes, miss.
हाँ, अभी वापस मेरे से मत बोलना टीचर अप्रिसिएशन क्या है. It is the same formula. तुमको यही का अप्रिसिएशन, अरे वाह कितना अच्छा है रे, सेम अप्रिसिएशन ही बहुत पूछा है. वेरी गुड. So, name of the poem, poet, same formula as seen inside the paper. How they given? Rhyming scheme, figures of, if the rhyming scheme is there, if it is a free word, you would not have any rhyming scheme. Couplets, आपको मालूम है, you will have done in the 10th standard. Then, figures of speech, बच्चे कम से कम 2 तो निकाल के बोलना पड़ेगा. अगर तुम सिमिली बोलता है, you have to pick up the line. Now, like the plumes of peacock, purple and green, the poet has used many figurative speech. You will not use figures of speech. 12th में गया figurative speech. That is figures of speech. Like simile. ये कली कॉपी करो. Yes. Then. Or you can take even this, white as a feather and white as a cloud. You could have taken that also. I got no problem. बहुत सारा higher end. Then, if you are taking alliteration, वो भी है. Match the following. Nobody is going to say 1 C, 2 A. No. You will write early morning dash. तुमको एक dash डाल सकता है. You need not draw the line. Early morning dash, whatever it is, you can write. Evening dash, you can write. Night dash, you can write. Peacock plumes dash, you can write. Peacock plumes dash, purple and green. Because I just now read it, I came to know. Now, pick up any 2 words to describe the weavers in the last stanza. The last stanza. And state their importance. आजकल का present, who are the weavers? Who weave so many things, na, basket and everything. Now, rhyming scheme, all of you know. Acha, appreciation is given of another poem. See? Woi diya re. Critical appreciation is the same. If you have any imagery, like what you learned in 10th standard, Scorpion you learned, no? Yaad
Yes,
hai?
miss. Yes, miss.
Uska images were coming, no, when they brought the lanterns and everything, they were putting lots of pictures of Scorpion on the wall. Like that, if there are imagery, you have to write that.
Ma'am,
Did you all understand? Bolo.
ma'am, in 10th standard, we used to write appreciation in the form of paragraphs. This year, we have to write in paragraphs or points.
Nahi beta, the format is the same. Format will not change. Acha, you were writing name of the poem dash, name of the poet dash. That way you were writing.
No, ma'am. We used to
Ah,
write in the
then
form
okay,
of
okay, okay.
paragraph.
The poem written by that way only you are writing, no?
Yes.
Yes, miss.
Then same format it is. Then what is the language? Whether it is simple or how is the poem given, that also you have to write. इसमें क्या दिया है? What you learn from the poem. देखो, inspirational messages. You don't have to worry about it. The pattern is the same. खाली तुम लोग को घुमा के they have given. Why do you like the poem? And which line you liked it? वही दिया है. Critical evaluation means what? Why do you like this poem? That's all. I have already given you in the simple formula. Samjha? Now,
Yes, miss.
writing skill is left. Now, as I told you, every section you will start on a new page. Now, in the writing skill, I have not explained to you, I'll be doing it. Question number 4. If you are attempting A, you will attempt A. Now, A में कितना दिया है? 3 choice दिया है. Okay. But how we are going to do the group discussions? Acha, what you all discussed it in the group, you have to write it in the dialogue form.
Yes, miss. Like dramatic.
Acha, dramatic form. And what is this?
Yes, miss. Like the
And this is
question
a
of what?
message. Arey, message writing is very easy. You have to give the message to somebody who is not there. Correct? See,
Yes, miss.
since Mr. Singh has to go for his morning walk, he left a message for Ranjit. That's all. Yes, I will explain to you. Children, please take the message as your option and go.
Yes, miss.
ये क्या दिया है? ये तो तुमको हार्ड लगेगा रे. Statement of purpose. You must have decided your aim in life. Which university? Acha, why do you want to go in that university? Why do you want to take a diploma? Why you did not go for the degree? इसके लिए बहुत तकलीफ है. I'll tell you, if this comes, you go for the message. According to me. Now B में क्या दिया है? Mail, report writing, all of you know it. Interview. तीनों में से भी एक भी ले सकता है. But I have to done for you. We will be having some more lectures. See, this all you can leave 2-3 lines and can continue. Speech, comparing is almost related to the speech, but it's in a different format. Expansion of ideas. That what is the review? Whether you like some picture, whether you don't like it, you're telling about it. Blog writing. How many of you find blog writing easy? Tell me.
No, ma'am.
Okay, blog writing is difficult, I know that. So you can go for the review of any film or anything. Appeal.
Yes, miss.
Save our farmers with the help of you are appealing. Appealing means what? You are telling the farmers what to do. Simple. You are appealing to the people of outsiders. Keep social distance. Keep put mask. Why? That is known as appealing. What the elders are telling you all, that is called appealing. Anyway, we'll be having some more lectures. I'm just going overall. This is the literature part. This is the same.